Tax relief is now being extended to allow individuals to claim for expenses incurred for a consultation with a pharmacist and any medications prescribed by that pharmacist, effective from Friday the 13th of March 2026. The Taoiseach Minister for Finance Simon Harris and Minister for Health Jennifer Carroll McNeill have today, the 12th of March, announced that individuals will be able to claim tax relief on health expenses for healthcare provided by pharmacists under the Common Conditions Service. The Common Conditions Service was launched on the 19th of January 2026 and enables community pharmacists to provide advice and offer expanded treatment options to patients for 8 common conditions. The service has been established to support patients with these common conditions, freeing GP appointments for more complex needs. Over 94% of all community pharmacists in Ireland have signed up to deliver the service by the end of March 2026. A tax relief for health expenses can be claimed for health expenses incurred by individuals for healthcare, including for GP visits and for medications, drugs prescribed by a GP. Individuals receive this tax relief at 20%, which is the standard rate of tax. This is broadly availed of relief, which currently provides a significant level of support to individuals. In 2023, the latest figure for which data is available, the cost of tax relief for health expenses was over 223 million, and it was availed of by over 700,000 claimants. And this tax relief is now being extended to allow individuals to claim for expenses incurred for a consultation with a pharmacist and any medications prescribed by that pharmacist under the Common Conditions Service. The Taoiseach Simon Harris will include the necessary legislative amendments in the finance bill later this year in 2026, while a revenue administrative practice will allow taxpayers to claim tax relief for health expenses incurred under the Common Conditions Service in the interim. So effectively that means, as in from tomorrow the 13th of March, taxpayers will be able to avail of this tax relief. Commenting on this, the Taoiseach Minister for Finance Simon Harris TD said, "I am expanding tax relief for health expenses to cover costs incurred by individuals who avail of healthcare through the Common Conditions Service. This will ensure that these individuals will be able to claim the same relief as they are currently able to avail of when visiting their GP. This new service is an important part of our programme for government commitment to further expand the services provided by pharmacists, recognising Irish pharmacists as highly trained, well-educated healthcare professionals. Allowing individuals to claim tax relief for health expenses when using the Common Conditions Service will support this important service, giving people across Ireland faster access to trusted healthcare while ensuring GP and hospital appointments are available for people with more complex health needs." The Minister for Health Jennifer Carroll McNeill commented, "This tax relief, which will allow patients avail of treatment under the Common Conditions Service to claim on any related expenses, is about putting patients first and supporting them to prioritise their health and well-being. I am grateful to the Taoiseach Minister for Finance Simon Harris TD and colleagues in the Revenue Commissioners for bringing this forward and ensuring patients benefit from timely, high-quality treatment provided by our community pharmacists under the Common Conditions Service. Before I give the common health conditions that your pharmacist can treat let me introduce myself. My name is Boyle, Payroll Specialist at Boyle Payroll Project Management, Ireland's premier payroll providers for small businesses and first choice tax agents for PAYE workers to claim tax credits and complete their income tax returns, and many more services like claiming tax relief for their health care expenses. www.bppm.ie is the website. Please feel free to contact us using the Contact tab on this website address, or follow our community Facebook page, Boyle Payroll Project Management, for payroll press releases, income tax and other PAYE and revenue updates, or subscribe to our channel Payroll Matters in Ireland if you have not already done so. As per the HSE website, under the Common Conditions service, a pharmacist can provide advice for some common health conditions. If you need treatment, they can also prescribe medicine for you. This is called the Common Conditions service. The common health conditions your pharmacist can treat are allergic rhinitis, cold sores, conjunctivitis, impetigo, oral thrush, shingles, cystitis, uncomplicated urinary tract infection, and vaginal thrush. I hope I pronounced those correctly. The pharmacist will charge you for the service. They will tell you about the cost before the consultation. You will have to pay even if you have a medical card. If you are prescribed medicine, you may be able to get this under the drug payment scheme or with your medical card. Who may use the service? Not everyone is eligible for the service. For example, it can depend on your age. You can use the service for allergic rhinitis and allergic conjunctivitis if age 2 or over, infective conjunctivitis if age 6 months or older, cold sores and oral thrush if age 1 month or older, impetigo if age 2 months or older, shingles if age 18 or older, cystitis in women if age 16 to 64, vaginal thrush if age 16 to 60. You may not be eligible for other reasons, such as a condition keeps coming back. Your pharmacist will tell you if you are eligible. If you are not eligible for the service, they will still be able to give you advice about your condition, or you can go to your GP. How to use the service. In some pharmacies, this is a walk-in service. This is where you go into the pharmacy and ask to see the pharmacist. Other pharmacies ask that you make an appointment. Much of the detail in this video guide contains Irish public sector information licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International CC by 4.0 license. References: 1. Press release. The Taoiseach and the Minister for Health announce extension of tax relief through the Common Conditions Service from the Department of Finance and the Department of Health, published on the 12th of March 2026. 2. The HSE website under Common Conditions Service. Before I leave you for now, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the follow, like or subscribe button, depending on what platform you are watching this video guide on, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work-related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to like, follow or subscribe, but could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. Go on, hit that like, follow or subscribe button. Go on, go on, go on, go on. See you next time, and thank you for watching.